As you grow older, saving money becomes even more important. Whether you are approaching retirement, living on a fixed income, or just looking to build your wealth, there are a number of strategies you can use to save money and secure your financial future. Saving money as an older adult can be challenging, but it's not impossible. Here are some tips and strategies that can help you save money as an older adult. 1. Start by creating a budget. The first step in saving money as an older adult is to create a budget. Setting a budget is the first step to saving money. By creating a spending plan, you can see exactly where your money is going each month and identify areas where you can cut back. This means listing all your expenses and income, and then determining how much money you have left over after your expenses are paid. This will help you see where you can cut back on expenses and save more money. When creating a budget, start by listing all your monthly expenses, including housing costs, utilities, food, transportation, and any other regular expenses. Then, list all your sources of income, including any retirement income, Social Security benefits, and other sources of income. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can make adjustments to your budget to save more money. 2. Reduce your housing costs. Housing is one of the biggest expenses for most people, and it can be a significant drain on your finances as you get older. To reduce your housing costs, consider downsizing to a smaller home or apartment. You can also look into co-housing arrangements, where you share living expenses with other adults. If you own your home, you may be able to refinance your mortgage to lower your monthly payments. You could also consider renting out a spare room or space on Airbnb to generate some extra income. 3. Take advantage of senior discounts. Many businesses offer discounts to seniors, so be sure to ask about senior discounts whenever you are making a purchase. Senior discounts are often available for things like travel, dining, entertainment, and healthcare. To take advantage of senior discounts, be sure to carry your identification card with you wherever you go. You may also want to sign up for senior discount programs offered by your favorite retailers and restaurants. 4. Shop smart. Shopping smart is another key to saving money as an older adult. Always compare prices and look for discounts before making a purchase. Use coupons and promo codes, and take advantage of senior discounts whenever possible. Many retailers and service providers offer discounts for people over a certain age, so be sure to ask about these offers when you shop. 5. Cut back on transportation costs. Transportation can be another significant expense for older adults. To save money on transportation, consider using public transportation or carpooling with friends or neighbors. If you don't need a car, consider selling it to save money on insurance, maintenance, and gas. You could also look into services like Uber or Lyft to save money on transportation costs. 6. Look for ways to save on healthcare. Healthcare costs can be a major expense for older adults, but there are ways to save money. One option is to enroll in a special medical plan, which can provide additional benefits and lower out-of-pocket costs. You can also consider using generic medications instead of brand-name drugs, which can be significantly less expensive. Another way to save on healthcare is to take advantage of preventive care services. By getting regular checkups and screenings, you can catch health problems early and avoid more expensive treatments down the road. 7. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is one of the most important steps to saving money as an older adult. Pay off any outstanding debts, and avoid taking on new debt whenever possible. If you do need to borrow money, look for low-interest loans or credit cards with low interest rates. 8. Find free or low-cost activities. Entertainment and leisure activities can be a major expense, but there are many free or low-cost activities available to older adults. Many museums, parks, and cultural institutions offer free admission or discounted rates for seniors. You can also find free or low-cost activities through your local senior center or community center. These organizations often offer classes, events, and activities specifically for older adults. 9. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Finally, one of the best ways to save money as an older adult is to avoid unnecessary expenses. This means being mindful of your spending and avoiding impulse purchases. To avoid unnecessary expenses, try to stick to your budget and avoid shopping when you are bored or stressed. You can also consider using cash instead of credit cards, as this can help you avoid overspending. In conclusion, saving money as an older adult requires a bit of planning and effort, but it's not impossible. By creating a budget, downsizing your home, taking advantage of senior discounts, finding ways to save on healthcare, and avoiding unnecessary expenses, you can save money and enjoy a comfortable retirement.